Welcome to Code Station.
Working with variables. Welcome back, JavaScript enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the nuts and bolts of working with variables. In our last video, we got a grip on the basics. Now let's explore how we can manipulate them in our code. Well, today we are not only going to create variables, but we will also make them dance. First off, let's review. Sarah, can you remind us how we can declare a variable? Certainly, we declare a variable using the let keyword like this, let scope. Perfect. Now John, once we have declared our variable, how do we give it a value or purpose? We use the is equal to sign to assign a value to a variable. For example, score is equal to 100 gives our score variable a value of 100. Now let's talk about special concept called scope. Sarah, can you explain what scope means in the world of JavaScript? Scope defines where a variable can be accessed. If we declare a variable inside a function, it can only be used within that function. Exactly. And if we declare it outside any function, it becomes global, accessible everywhere. Now let's wrap up today's lessons by honing in the concept of scope. Scope is like a rule book. When we declare a variable inside a function, it's like creating a rule book for that variable. It can only be read and modified within that function. Global scope. Variables declared outside any function becomes global players. They are accessible from anywhere in your code. It's like having a shared dictionary that everyone can read. Why does scope matter? It keeps our code organized and prevents unattended clashes between different parts of a program. In our next video, we will tackle conditional statements. Get ready to make decisions in your code. Until then, keep coding and may your code libraries always stay well organized and rule abiding.